What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another live trading session. Well, not live, but a trading session. Today is September the 25th. If you guys do not want to sit through all this waiting for me to take a trade, you guys can skip to me taking a trade. I don't know if I'll take a trade today, but let's look at price and see what it does and see what it's looking like so far. I know we got news today, so I may take a trade. I may not, but yesterday I did take a trade. I took a short yesterday. I know it looked like I should have won, but I lost. I lost $287. I can show y'all that real quick. Market open in about 5 minutes, so I believe about 4 minutes actually. Let me go back to it though. But yeah, I was recording yesterday and I ended up not having no more storage on my computer, so I had to delete some games and some videos. All the videos I did have, because my recording stopped before I took the trade. I was like, okay, bet. Where did I take my trade yesterday? Took a little loss, so it was right here somewhere. Yeah, so it broke out yesterday. I did not like this 1 minute gap right here. But then it created a 5 minute, which is this one right here. And I actually did not like that 5 minute as much. But then when price went into the 5 minute, tapped my resistance on the orb resistance. Yeah, that's where I got in. I probably got in a little bit earlier than that, to be honest. And then see this little run up right here. Tried to stop me out, but this candle was so strong that I was like, okay, yeah, bet I'm gonna get out of this, because if it's that strong up, I'm like, okay, bet I'm gonna hop out. So I hopped out before I lost my full 500 that I usually am okay with losing, where I put my stop loss. So yeah, and then after that, price just kind of chopped, and my targets below, all of them got hit. Obviously, as you can see on ES, all the targets I hit that I wanted to get hit. I was really just, when I got in this trade, all I wanted was that previous day low, which was this line right here. But price didn't start going down until what, 10:53. And even then, I wouldn't have taken the trade until this pullback right here, because I mean I would have liked this. I probably would have got in right here. Maybe I probably would have got in right here, cause I like that gap. I like that gap. Well, I kind of like this gap right here. But and if it would have tested that right there, I probably would have got in. Then see what I could do. But price would have came back. I think it made a 5 minute right here most likely, and then dumped down. So then price just dumped for the day, and this was my real target. This is what I would have tried to run, like have a run into, just let it run to. Because that's a daily fair value gap down there. Okay, am I tripping? I hate when I do that. Let me just go to 4 hours. I ain't got time to play with these. Oh man. Yeah, man, 25th. Bro, where's price? Guys, okay, there it goes. Anyway. So, yeah, it's a daily fair value gap down here that I had already initially felt like price was going to go to. I mean, because we've just been pushing up so crazy to the upside. So, all time, you just been creating all-time highs constantly. The market about to open in about 15 seconds. So I just knew it was going to be some type of pullback at some point. So I feel like this daily fair value gap is going to have to get touched before it wants to come back up and probably make new all-time highs. But other than that, let's see what the market may want to do today and get all this off the screen. All these targets that I had got hit. Market's been playing games. So that's the thing, I usually when it comes to the drawing liquidity, I kind of had that right. a lot. Like I probably had that right. I ain't gonna say I'm 100% right on the draw liquidity every single time, but I've been doing pretty good on that. Like knowing where prices wanting to go. I'll say about 80% I'm about right on that, but it's the 4-hour chart. I mean, right now, 4-hour gaps is being respected. So I'm still, for the most part, I'm bearish. I feel like the price will be bearish today, but like I said, it's in that daily fair value gap. I feel like price could at least want to go up now. I don't think it's anything here. Oh, it's a daily fair value gap here for them. I don't know. I'll see. I don't know. But we gotta kind of have a pullback. So like it's pretty good for the market. I would say we need some type of pullback. I don't know when price gonna start running back up. So, but we do have news today. So I know price will be a little more volatile today. Like so I can take these targets up. I know they up there, so equal highs, but let's see where liquidity is resting on the 15-minute. Which I know all targets is high. It's up high today, but I don't know if it's gonna go to. Let's see. Yeah, you just don't know. I just don't know. I kind of need. I feel like I need more information. I kind of need more information. But I mean, the way prices, it's like, it's really dumping. So I don't know, man. I do not know, but we will see. I mean, I feel like I could be bullish today because price may want to rebalance this this range, you know. But they kind of, had pullbacks, like hefty pullbacks too. So we'll just see, man. We will just see what today brings. I mean, you got 15-minute gap here. And like price is respecting. Price is delivering down, and I would love to take continuations more than I want to take reversals. So I'd rather continue down. Oops, sorry y'all. That was probably so loud. Let me see. News. What news did we have today? Hopefully Trump ain't got to speak or nothing, bro. He been just. Let me just. I don't want to talk politics, y'all, but I don't even understand how some of y'all. It's crazy, bro. But anyway, we got final GDP, unemployment claims, core durable goods. Oh, this was at 8:30, which didn't create no. What's the name? Or maybe it did that. Excuse me. Yeah, that didn't really do much. He put some volatility in here though. Price Price still delivering down. I want to see. I'll take a short. I ain't tripping. Price is delivering down as strong as it has been the last 3 days. We got FOMC members speaking today. Natural gas, 10:30. Existing home sales. There's a lot of news today. Just orange folder, red folder, and yellow folder. Yeah, tomorrow we got jam-packed day tomorrow, right? Oh, we just got core PCE tomorrow, which is should be a little more. That should be good too. But I really want a good setup today. Like I said, A plus setup only. This it's the motto for this week. So I'm only taking A plus setups, man. Yesterday I did the setup was looking good, but I think yesterday I had a problem with just wanting to take a trade just for the sake of trading. And I think that was the problem with me yesterday. I mean, I kind of liked it. And if I kind of like it, I need to notice when I kind of like it. And I know what the ones that scream at me, the A plus setups that scream at me look like. I just need to be able to take those. Like the one Monday, and I didn't take because it was a no news Monday. So it'd be iffy, bro. It'd be iffy. I just gotta get a couple kinks out that I still got. Just a little bit of little things that I'm still early in the game, so I'm happy where I'm at to be early in this. So price is dumping though. Like it's creating a 5-minute right now, and oops, these cats out here fighting. It's creating this 5-minute. I actually like this 5-minute. I don't think I would take none off of it though, but it look good. Nice size 5-minute gap. I mean, I could see price reversing. I can. I mean, you got all this liquidity, but it depends. That day was so choppy, bro. Anyway. Yeah, it ain't been the best week. It's kind of been like price moved, but it's not moving at the time I want it to move. Like I think today, I mean, this week was like a test of patience. And for me, I kind of like to get off the chart at like 11 o'clock. And if it get all the way at like 10:50, like I think yesterday's trade would have played out at like 10:50. And so I just learned to be more patient. Patience, for that. But even in yesterday's setup was not like, it wasn't nothing too crazy. Like it still would have been something I would take. So I wish I would have just stayed at the market yesterday. Hopefully we can go crazy today, man. We will go crazy. I don't want to say hopefully. Let's do it. I mean, price is showing direction right now. What is it reaching for? Let me see though. I mean, like I said, it could be coming back to this. Could be testing this 4-hour again. Be in this daily. This daily does not have to close bearish, so it could definitely close like with a large wick up and like close up here or something. Will it do that? I don't know. It could close looking like that. So, excuse me, y'all. I mean, I feel like we're still in a bullish market though. This doesn't change anything for me. This is just a nice healthy pullback, if you ask me. So, this candle today can definitely close like into like a doji or not doji, but like a dragonfly up or whatever you call it, like this one. So it could be just testing these gaps again. Maybe it's testing this daily gap one more time, then wants to go up. So I mean, we just got daily gaps. We got daily gaps, but I don't know. That's why I gotta kind of stay. I gotta stay super patient right now, cause you just don't know when. You gotta know how it's going to do what it's going to do. Like, but right now, price is going down crazy. So, like it's pushing down for sure. If I get a setup and it look clean enough to me, I'm gonna take it. My only thing, it might be ES trying to get something too. So daily chart, you got this gap. See, but when ES finally get down this gap, it might bounce. This daily gap already done got respected once. And maybe this is because of Powell and stuff that he had said, like talking about AI and taking jobs, and then he said a lot of stuff. I can't even. He said a lot of stuff. Like he also said the market was overvalued, and that could be pushing this market down as bad as it is. So he was talking about AI. I don't know a lot of stuff. I know some people had some earnings. I don't know if it was big names that had earnings this week, but that could be pushing the market down. I don't know, bro. So just try to take it as I can right now. That's a daily gap. What was the 4 hour like on here? We got still in just bullish gaps. We'll see, bro. We'll see. But the way it's looking, man. I mean, it's pushing down. I mean, I can see a pullback. That's why I don't know. I would say I'm kind of bullish today, but it just all depends, really, man. It really just all depends. I couldn't tell you what price gonna do today, but it's definitely looking bearish. So I'm on the bearish side right now. I just know a pullback can happen. We got high time frame PD raise, bullish PD raise that push price back up. So because of how strong we moved up. So, but I'll let the orb try to tell me what direction we're going to take, and then I'll just go from there. But right now we done created 2 strong fair value gaps down. 5 on the 5 minute. And like prices had its direction this whole time. So the orb is set. I'm already knowing this is the high of it. So I know it's a orb. Is it an orb indicator? I think it is, right? I bet it is. Let me see. Let's see what it looks like. It's probably not gonna show it until 15 minutes. Maybe. Price, as soon as that's crazy. As soon as price, I'm gonna open that 15-minute candle bullish a little bit. Did it open the order? Oh, it did up there. See how effective this strategy is. You can see it's pretty effective. I don't like it there though. So why is it not popping up there right here? That is the 930 candle, right? 10:15. Why is it doing that at 10:15? I don't know. Not something I use, but I like to just draw mine out anyway. Alright, let's drop down to the 1 minute. See what price wants to do. I will be more happy to see I'll be more happy to see it go up though. I mean, we got all this liquidity, man. I just feel better with it being going up today, but as much as it's pushing down, we got these 5-minute gaps. I guess we just see how this is respected or not. If that 5-minute gap gets respected and pushes us down with a good gap out of the orb, then I'll be bearish. But if it gets disrespected and get pushed up, then I know. So yes, just hit that gap again. What was that, a daily, right? Oh yeah, it's gonna pop back up. And we in a 4-hour bullish or daily right here. A daily gap on NQ, and then on ES. We just tapped that daily gap. So I will want to see a reverse. I will want to see a reverse. I will say that. I want to see a reverse out of this. I want to see a disrespect, go up and create me something. That's what I want to see. Where my phone at? Put my phone back there. That's what I want to see today, y'all. I cleared my storage, so my doggone video shouldn't just stop out of nowhere. Alright, it's tapping this 5 minutes. Let's see how price reacts to it. Strong push up. Hit C directly on that 5 minute. I don't know why I kind of want some sunlight today. maybe I like my room dark. I don't know. That's just how I always been. I like darker rooms. But I don't know, I want some sunlight today. See, but now I don't like the vibe. I don't like the vibe, I ain't gonna lie. I might close it back. Like I want to see that 5 minute disrespected. Yeah, then we go up. V-shape recovery too. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry, y'all. I want to see that 5 minute disrespected, but where price goes is where I'm gonna go. Right now, it's looking like it's gonna respect it though. That's a strong candle down. It is a strong candle down right there. There ain't no gaps right here. Oh, you got this gap. Yeah, you got that one. That little 1 minute. 2 minute gap. I guess it just depends. We'll see. See what price wanna do. It's like the downside is just so strong right now. It seems like that trade it's been hitting every day, but it's only like that because I feel like every day it's been going down, creating like a little 5 minute. It'll pull back to the 5 minute and then come back down. That trade has been hitting every day this week. I believe that's been happening every single day. Every single day. If this 2 minute holds, like it's probably finna get inversed. It depends. That's why you gotta stay patient. That's why I like the orb, because it at least tell me what price exactly wants to go. For the most part, yeah, I've yet to see it really fail. And I feel like I don't like this vibe. I'm changing it back, y'all. I don't like this vibe. Thought I wanted some sunlight. I don't. Oh. Just ain't me. Oh shoot. Oh. I probably like treating this like a video game. Like you don't even. Yeah, I just like to be comfortable. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I take this very seriously. It's my business, but that's the freedom this business gives me. I get to just be in my pajamas still, take a trade. But I still take it very serious. I don't gotta be in a suit and tie to take a trade. That's why I would forever do this till I do this for the rest of my life. I ain't gonna lie. I'll be 80 years old still training if it's still here for sure. Shoot, 80 years old, I ain't be focusing on those Social Security check. $2,000 a month. Let's see what 10 o'clock looking like. I'm starting not to look at social media either, like trading content. Like I said, all y'all just weird. I'm sorry, just the truth. Like everybody, it's the weirdest community ever. But then like it's like it just does not benefit you if you want to do this by yourself. Like I was in the trading community for a little bit. I told y'all I wasn't really rocking with it. I feel like it really messed up my trading a little bit. I don't want to depend on somebody else's knowledge or somebody else taking a trade for me to take a trade and stuff like that. It was messing with my head. So I just a lot of stuff, bro. If you really want to do it, you kind of gotta get in the field yourself and just kind of figure it out. Because as of right now, it's just not it, bro. Social media is just not it right now, bro. I don't want to. I don't know. I don't want to know what other people trades they took, or I don't want to know if people lost or won money today. I don't care if people think it's good price action or bad price action. I just want to know for myself what everything is looking like. So it's just I don't like looking at it. So I don't even like like Monday. Everybody took that perfect A+ trade that I should have taken. Everybody was so happy and jolly. That pissed me off because I'm like, damn, I should have took that mug. I was just super patient, and I'm like, okay, I'm not. Hey, I ain't hating on them or nothing. Like, I'm happy everybody making money. I've always been that way. But I don't. It messed up my psychology. I'm like, dang, I should have took that. Dang, like. But I stayed cash. I just didn't take the trade, and that's okay. I don't have to have FOMO because of that. Like, I'm good. So price is let me see what this 3 minute looking like. I mean, for the most part, I think price is gonna go down. I mean, it's respecting and creating bearish gaps. So it respected this gap at least, and then created just another little small 1 minute. But I really want to see the upside. I ain't gonna lie. Only because of the high time frame PD arrays. Like I said, you got a daily, and we in a 4 hour here, so it's like I really would love to see the upside more than the downside. So I'm hoping price does not want to give me a setup down here. I really don't. I really want to see the upside. That's a huge move right there. It's a pretty strong move. They just disrespected this gap and everything, so kinda liking this. Inverse this 5 minute. If it inverts this first 5 minute too, I'll be more than happy to take a trade to the upside. And I think it'll just take all this out. I ain't gonna lie, I slick think it's finna go down though. That might just been a stop hunt. I would want it to go up. Depending on what this candle do. Like if it respects this gap, then I could see, but this could definitely have just been a stop hunt. I don't know. I mean, if people is if they took the trade right here, they stopped hunting. I mean, they stopped probably. They probably would have gotten in if they. I don't know. I don't know how people trade. All people trade, but they probably would have got in off this gap right here and wanted it to be respected. So yeah, they probably, and they got they stop right here maybe. The best trade would have been off that 5 minute gap though. This 5 minute gap. So they stop should hopefully be up here if anybody's like is in something. It's respecting this little gap though. That's what I want to see, bro. I want to see the upside, man. Disrespect this 5 minute. I ain't gonna take nothing inside this orb still though. But a good buy is looking good right now. 10 o'clock, put some volume in the market. It's looking like that 5 minute is inversed for the most part. Yeah, basically. Yeah, 5 minute got inversed. This is definitely a shift in market structure. I would say that. Oh yeah, especially if it, excuse me, inverse this 15 minute gap. I think it ended up just running right past all this. Today is pretty clear. I'm not gonna lie. Today is seeming pretty clear. I think this will end up being a breakaway gap. I can take this off. I think this will end up being a breakaway gap. Price should inverse this, and we keep running up. I mean, like I said, I wanted to go up because all this the PDRAs we got high time frame PDRAs. I mean, this is a clear W shape though. Like, price is correlated good and everything. I wanted to inverse this last 5 minutes and just give me a setup. Keep running up, bro. Keep running up. I think that 5 minute gonna be a breakaway. I'm not gonna lie. So if this candle, if this can, here on the 5 minute, let me show y'all here. If this does not make, if it makes this a breakaway, let me see. I mean, it technically just inverse. It just disrespected this 5 minutes. So let me see something. Disrespected the 5 minute though. That's what I want to see though. So maybe create a 5 minute here and then pull up, or just give me a good breakout on a 1 minute. I don't know though, cause it can. I'll be banking on price to just keep running up crazily. I mean, I can see that happening, but broke out in the way. I just wouldn't have taken nothing off of that though. Like I wouldn't have been banking on price not to reject the 5 minutes again. So I'm glad I was patient enough to not. I mean, it would have worked out if I would took off this little 1 minute, but that has just been not my strategy, not my rules. So we just see how price reacts right here. Sorry, I got inverse. I can take that off. I'm just trying to think, will I take a trade inside the orb if it comes down to this 5 minute gap after it creates this next one? What I think I would do, it just depends, and see whatever price does. But if price breaks out of the orb on the 5 minute, closes outside of the orb on the 5 minute, and then comes back down and maybe test this 5 minute gap, then I might take something. I might. It just all depends. But for that to be the case, it has to take this out. It has to close above. I feel more inclined to do so if it closes above. So this is the candle that's determining that right now. What I really want is another big engulfing candle. Then I'll definitely take it. And then make 2 breakaways. Ooh, shoot. And we got crazy liquidity sitting above. And we into bullish PD rates on a high time frame. It's looking like it's not going to close above. See what these last 10 seconds look like. It's fine at this resistance. Nope. It's power though. It's giving me some volume. The only thing is like, price gonna come back and test these gaps, or just gonna make them break away? I don't really want to. At that point, I feel like I'm gambling. That's what I want to see though, right there. I don't know. That's definitely the volume I want to see though. Create this gap big enough like this, I get in. I like that it don't got a bottom wick, none of that. So I mean, price don't have to come test these. It literally doesn't. So it doesn't have to. Depending on this candle, how big this gap is created, I'll take some off this gap right here. I'm hoping that's the biggest it'll go. If it does want to come down, hoping that's the end of it. Showing me still strength to the upside. So I'll take a trade off that. I will take a trade off that. depending on how this is looking. Alright, when price come test this gap, I'll get in, y'all. Do I think am I banking on these to be breakaways? Yes, but I can. It's so much prettier. It's so many pretty rays. Show me so much power to the upside. I wouldn't mind taking it. So I just need price to come test it. Testing on ES, I could get in now, but
order filled.
I hate where I got in. Oh, I hate where I got in, but I'm in. Nonetheless, I'm in. I am in. Let me see. Just noticing something right now, y'all. Anyway, I don't like this right now. Why is it so much? I'm only in one contract, but I'm banking on this to be support and just bounce up though. So. Hoping these is breakaway gaps. That's all I can say. I hate where I got in it. But anyway, let me put my thing on there. I'm in at 5.99. Which I hate where I got in at. I think I got in like right there. Stops is below this right here. Just kind of hoping price does not try to come back and test these 5 minutes, which I'm a little afraid that it will, but it's very powerful right now, bro. Price should not want to come back and test these gaps. We got bullish PD rays, everything, so I just need some volume to the upside. We're going for like a 1 or 2 though, so put my stop right here at 7. What's that say? 672. Looking for some volume up, y'all. There we go. Create me another gap. This chunk don't have nothing to say. Nobody got nothing to say. It'll just push my price down. I think this is a good trade. No, create me a gap up. Only thing I don't like is these gaps down here because it's like strong power, but it's kind of it's making me want to just take my profits. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't want to just not trust myself. And price could always want to come back down to support real quick. It did over here already, but I like the way that candle look right there though. I will say that. Inverse this gap. I think it'll run up and try to at least get these. That'll be my real target. Hold on, let me do that correctly. That's my actual target right there. At this point, price should want to come touch it, man. I mean, we just inverse this gap too. So we're inversing a lot of gaps. Price should not need to come back and test this. I mean, we got all this power, bro. I might go break even. Make this a no risk trade. If we get a good strong push up, I just don't want to go break even too early. If this would have been a gap, I would have went break even, but I don't want to go break even just yet. There we go. I'll go break even now. So one price to keep pushing up. I mean, yes, just disrespected this gap too. I am break even though, so I'll put that there. Risk-free trade right here. I'm just hoping price continues to go up. Yeah. Price may want to touch that. Price should react off of that. Push up, push up, push up, y'all. Come on. If it takes, it got equal highs too. I mean, come on. Come on, bro. Go up. Bro, don't take me out of here, bro. Come on, don't take me out. Stop right there.
Order filled.
Bro, what are we doing? Alright, oh my god, bro. Come on, why are we going down so much? Maybe it just won't. I don't know what it wants right now. Maybe it want to tap support. I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't mind it coming back. It got to rebound in some type of way. Ah, bro, come on, bro. It's gonna go up. It just took me out. I had my break even like right there after that push up. Look at this going back up. Oh my goodness, bro. Come on, fool. What are we doing, bro? Golly. I mean, what a trade, though, bro. Like, come on. I guess just bad stop loss placement, bro. Fuck. I guess that's why I don't be wanting to go break even so early, bro. Hey, I think price maybe, hopefully it come back down, then I'll get back in, but as of now I'm done. But price is going, it has to come back and do something, so I'm not really too mad at it. It makes sense for price to come back down. You gotta top one of these 5 minutes, so I'm not mad at it. That's one trade though. If it come back, tap this 5 minute, then I'll get back in. Oh man, that could have been a great trade. I definitely could have taken profits, but I don't. I'm trying to get better with not doing that. So. I just think you gotta come test this 5 minute, which I'm not mad at. Price just took my profit where I had it, man. Big price. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't really want to take another trade, man. That's why I be getting that break even shit, bro. Maybe I should gotta stop going break even so early. I mean, that was a good time to go break even. I'm not really mad at that though. I was up a lot before I went break even. I was gonna do something and forgot what I was about to do. Oh, I know what I was about to do. ES didn't create a gap. It didn't create no 5 minute. It's still fighting in the 3 minute. Oh my goodness, bro. Golly, man. Why do we have to have such a pullback? Man, I should have took my profits. I was up like $800. I just hate being right, bro. I should just, that's that break even shit, bro. I gotta start going break even, man. So I mean but that really was a good time to go break even. It's like price really, it had reason to come down. I'm not gonna sit there like it didn't have reason to come down, but now it's gonna start running higher, bro. I really wanted to come test this 5 minute, bro. Please, come test the 5 minute, man. If that's what you was going to come down and do anyway, you had no reason to do so in the first place. So go on, come back down and test it. Oh shoot, that was a good trade, bro. So just took my little 800. I ain't gonna lie, if I would have got a better entry though, like if I would have got an entry down here, I wouldn't have minded going getting out. Stop playing games and come test this 5 minute, bro. Oops. This is crazy. You could have just kept running up, man. Yeah, bro, I should just it's learning experience though, but this damn break even shit, bro. It's making me lose trades. But it's like I gotta have risk management, bro. But I'm seeing that that's why this trading is so tricky. But when you get it, bro, man, once you get it, bro. I'm hoping to see price come down and tap this 5 minute. And then maybe ES kind of like tap support or something. It didn't go up, but it's already 10:40. I wish I would have took my money, bro. I was at like 800, 900 up here. The only thing is, if I was to take a trade, maybe, who knows, price may want to come back down here. Especially being so late in the day. It's unfortunate, bro. It's really unfortunate. But it's kind of on me. I didn't take my profits. It's just, that's the thing I'm working. It's just knowing when to take them, knowing when not to take them. But I'm always going to use my stop loss. I ain't too mad though. I'm green on the day. It's just, could be better. Right now, price is chopping. Damn, I should have took my profits, bro. Oh my gosh. I mean, the way it's looking, I think price is gonna go up again. You see this 5 minute, it's like all these candles telling me it's gonna go up. Like, come on, bro. I would have just, damn, bro. This break even is killing me, bro. This break even trades is killing me, it's killing my progress, bro. It's killing my progress, bro. Oh my god, man. It's killing my progress. It's definitely killing my progress, man. But god dog, bro. Wait till tomorrow, if anything. Price could be trying to go down. I would jump back in with S&T right here. You know, S&T right here. It's two S&T, so I'm not. Nah, I can't really get in. See profit, take profit, man. Fuck. That's all it is, bro. Ready to see what October bring, though, bro. Think we had a good month overall. I'm gonna stay here though. I'm gonna wait for a good setup. I hate when the market chops. Like, god dang, bro. Price action has been so. Ugh. Just deliver, bro. Golly. Just deliver, bro. What's taking you? Like, what are you doing? Fucking break even, bro. It's irritating though, bro, but it is what it is, man. One thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be upfront with y'all. I'm emotional about this trade, but cause I'm a human being, I ain't finna sit here and tell y'all I'm gonna take my emotions out. And hell nah, I'm pissed off about this. Like damn, bro. Cause I ain't been able to really get a good trade all week, bro. I mean, Monday was good, but like I've been right. And that's the only thing that's been pissing me off. I've been right about trades. It's just prices, this break even shit been killing me all week. Ah, bro, it's irritating though. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's like, bro, come on. And I don't want to sit here and take another trade because this prices, it's not where I want it to be. I would love for it to come tap one of these 5 minutes, but oh my god, bro, fuck, my nigga. I'm mad, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all can say I'm emotional. I'm mad about this one, bro. I'm a human being. I'm gonna be mad about some shit. This is these markets, bro. These markets is just irritating, dude. And this is when I really should just lock myself out. Because I'm emotional right now. This is when I need to lock myself out. But it's like, fuck. I think price is still going to try to tap one of these. He just tapped that 15-minute gap. That's why I can't take nothing now. $15-minute gap. A pretty strong one. That's why that was my original target. That's why I just shouldn't have went break even. I think it gets, disrespected eventually. I just want price to come try this 5 minute. Damn, man. Maybe I want to come turtle soup this low. Even then, if it comes down to tap the 5 minute, I'm not getting in prematurely just because it goes down there. I have to see a good engulfing candle off of it just to show me that it's going to respect the gap or respect support. And then I'll get back in. Other than that, I'm just done for the day. I wish I would have took my profits, or I wish I just either took my profit. I'm gonna watch it over and see what I should have did better. It probably was to break even. I could have had my break even at break even and not a little bit in profit, like $100 in profit. That probably could have been a change in it. And this could have just ended up being a very patient day for me. But I would have got out once it hit this for sure. Like even though I take profit up there, I would have got out when it hit that. Like definitely. Plus, right here, I was at 800. This probably would have been probably 13, 1500. Yeah, I could have just had my stuff at break even for sure. Cause I mean, price really shouldn't have had no reason to come down there, no way. It's just why is price deciding to chop so much lately, bro? Price has literally been chop city, bro. Well, if I was still in this trade, it would have been super stressful though. I wouldn't have still been in. I would have been out right here once it hit this target. But man, goodness gracious. Sitting through all this, bro, it's wild. I think price finna find his direction off this gap though. finna find this direction. Finna go up. Look at this chop though, man. Oh my gosh, bro. This is what, 20, 30 minutes? This 30 minutes of chop, bro. Like, why do we have to do all of this? I might have to call it a day, man. I'm not really too angry at it, bro, but I wish it would have just gone into my stop loss. I mean, my TP. At least some green on the day. That's all I can ask for. Still up on a month, so still been a pretty good month for me. Definitely a break-even trader though. Once I can get over this break-even hump, man, I'll be good. And I'm really blessed. I got to this break-even stage pretty quickly. I think price finna run up. Oh, it's all good. We still got tomorrow. Should've took my profit. Just Chop City now. I don't know, know, bro. What can I learn from this? I don't know. What can I learn from this, y'all? I mean, one thing I can say, I was at the end of a move. Literally at the end of a move. That's one thing I can say. Like, if I did want to take a trade, it would have been through all this. So, being inside the order, I didn't want to take anything. But, knowing them PD arrays was down there, I probably just should have, at all that strength. It was perfect W shape. So, after this right here, strong move up like that, probably should have went on take something. Price finally tapped support. I don't know if I'm gonna take anything else. I want to, but I gotta have self-control. I don't know if I should. It'd have to be real clear. It's already 11 o'clock. ES is right there. It's at support. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna keep my day green though, I'm not gonna lie. It had to be so clear though. It had to be so clear that I would just have no worries taking it. But I'm gonna be honest, I should have took that trade out for this candle right here. I mean, this candle literally has no wicks. It was just straight bullish. Like, that candle literally just straight bullish. And it ran up some more until it made this little candle, so it can test price. And then look, it just ran up. Like, this candle literally has no wicks on it, basically. Like, this candle should have told me everything I need to know. But it's all good. Price testing this 5 minute. It's about to, at least. I'm not gonna get in prematurely though, like I told y'all. Cause now at this point, price will have to fight. But its 5 minute is a little lower. Testing the 5 minute. I'd like to see some respected. I'd like to see a candle respected for sure. Like a big engulfing candle, like a candle that looked like the one I just showed y'all. Only way I get in right now. Caught the end of a move, y'all. That's the type of candle I want to see. That's the type of candle I want to see. Not this strong, but this is the type of candle I want to see. Golly. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I might not get an entry. There's no way I can. There's no way. There's no way I can. There's no way I can get an entry off this, bro. That's the type of candle I want to see, though. Literally. When it comes to sport, do that. I don't want to be stupid here. Don't want to be stupid here. I mean, look at the candle, though, bro. And the next candle is closing green, look like. Oh, I'm getting lightheaded. I mean, come on, bro. I'm literally seeing what I want to see. known it was going. I would have prematurely got in, but I told you I want to see a candle like this to happen, kind of like down there, and then I wouldn't mind getting back in. But look at this. I mean, I would get in. But I mean, look at the volume on that. I might get in and just maybe if I do get in, I'll take this what's the name off. And I'll just use my Express. I mean my combine. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. I'll take some if it comes back some retest. I'll be more than happy to take some. You gotta come back and retest. I got a feeling it's not gonna come back. I'm all lightheaded, bro. I don't know why I'm lightheaded right now. Come retest that gap, man. Has to. You gotta come back and retest. There's no way you just run. You just run from that. No way you just run from that, bro. Man, what if I would have just got in when I got back to that 5 minute? Oh my gosh. I would have looked at price so crazily. I would have been like, oh my God, thank God. Yeah, but I'd be so, this is what I be telling y'all. I be right literally a lot of the time. I just gotta, execution is, pricing is not always gonna execute the way you wanted it, the way you wanted to do it. Like prime example right here, I wanted the candle like this, obviously, but it literally just, it went crazy. I mean, I think price gonna come back and test it. I mean, he has to. Come on. It tested. I'm getting in on this eval. I'm gonna leave my funded alone though. Just wait for another good setup. On that, I should have just took profit when I could have took profit. I kind of wanted to get in right there because the ES is in that gap. I still think it'll come down a little more, hopefully. Come on, price. Come on, come on, come on. Come test, bro. Come test. Fuck. Golly. That's the only thing about price, bro. Price just be. That's what I'm saying. They ain't gonna do exactly what you want it to do. It ain't. It definitely is not gonna do exactly what you want it to do. You gotta have some type of discretion with this mug, man. There we go. Come test the gap. Patience. Patience. Patience, patience, patience. It might just run up, I ain't gonna lie.
Order filled.
I'll get in right there. This is just on my eval though, y'all. It ain't on 627. That's where I'm in at. Stops is below here. Even though it's not really a good place to put my stop, but it's okay. I'm not losing more than 500 on this trade. I mean, I guess I can put it a little bit less since I already made 92. I put it right below. Right below the body of that candle. I know that's probably not a good spot, but so if I lose this, I'm not mad. At least it's not on my Express account. I mean, if you want to come back down that 5 minute again on ES, give me that same energy. Give me that same energy you gave this candle. I am noticing though, if it's gonna give me a candle like that, it's gonna at least hit CE. So I guess I could have waited to CE. Where's my take profit at? Let me see. Move that to the right spot. 677. That's wrong. I mean, you guys want to test that 5 minute again, I guess. Go ahead, but give me that same energy, bro. More of an impulse trade today. I wish I would have took profit on the other one, though. That 15 minute is strong. Taking me out. Oh, yeah, I'm losing this one. I'm done for
Order
today,
filled.
Ah, my God, bro. I'm done for the day. Well, at least that was not on my express, so I'm not tripping. Look at the candle. It's finna go up off of that. I can see that price probably just moved that far. Hey, this day's still green for me. I'm not gonna lie. I lost money on my express, but it's still green. I mean, on my combine. But on my funded account, I'm still green, so I ain't tripping. Golly, bro. This eval needs to be done, though. But yeah, I'm done for the day, y'all, for sure. This is a longer video. This week has been a little stressful. I'm not gonna lie, but winning trade, I took out break even. Kind of is what it is, but I'm done. I've already been on here 2 hours. So I'm gonna just call it a day. Hopefully tomorrow we can get something a little better, you know. Yeah. Hopefully today was just a little unfortunate, but yeah, we are still green on the day. So I mean, y'all see that as y'all just saw that trade. Yes, it did. That's an eval though, but this was on both, and still was a good trade. So other than that, man. Yeah, y'all stay blessed. Tell somebody y'all love them. Remember that God loves y'all. Remember to keep praying. And don't be so consumed about the worries of the world. And that's it for me, y'all. Peace.